Alright guys, in today's video I want to show you guys, if your blower motor speed, if you put the speed on, it doesn't work on some of the speeds, or if it works only on high. I'm going to show you guys how to check that, what to change. So there's a resistor down below, so you got to get to the resistor down below, and the resistor, it will control speed. It's just a resistance for the flow of the electricity, how much power it wants to send out according to the speed that you're putting up to. Anyways, it's all down there, so we're gonna get down there. So what we need to do is right down here, we're gonna go down here. If you want to move the seat back, you can do that, but down here you have this cover here. So what you want to do, you want to take a fork, you can even pull it by hand, but this fork will work really good, or a flathead screwdriver. And what you want to do is you want to go right over here and you want to yank this guy down, and this guy should come down fairly easily. Okay, that's not happening for me. Okay, there's like little clips down there. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. I can see it from right here. So the struggle is kind of real here, but it will come out. Let's go. That's one is out, and all you have to do is yank really hard down, and the whole thing will just come down. There's nothing down here. Okay, there. So there's nothing here that can stop us from removing this. There you go. So these little metal retainers are holding this really well and hard in there. There you go. And just, once you get them out, okay, this guy is not easy. Okay, that took a lot of my energy. Gotta come out. I'll show you once I have it removed. I need both of my hands now. So this is held in by these little metal retainers. They're really tough to get off, so you might want to get them and put them back together, and sometimes they stay behind, so you got to get them out. So once it's out and this guy just comes right off, and what you need to do is disconnect this connector here, and then same thing here. You just push on this tab, and there should be one more tab here. It's from the bottom on this one. So there you go. It should be coming out. Come on. There you go. And then you can take this cover, put it away. So right down here you have your resistor right here. This is what controls the speed. Okay, so we're gonna get to that. Let me get something to put my knee on. Okay, so this thing has two 8mm and this connector here. So you're gonna push right up on the top here, and this connector should come out. There's no testing this guy, so if it's bad, if you think it's bad, we just go at it, mechanics. And all you need is an 8mm. Okay, it's not an 8mm, it might be a 7mm. And let me get 7mm, and then we'll go further. So when I got a 7mm, and there you go, it's loose. Or you could use a Phillips head screwdriver, it's all up to you. So there's one. My socket came off, and put that back in. And here goes the second one. Only if the camera can see it. There you go. Got it off completely. And this guy should just come right off, just like that. You never want to plug this in and leave it hanging and test it. You always want to get a new piece, and you want to put this back in. So there's a number here if you guys want to know the part number on this. It's 077-800-0960. And you got the new piece. It only goes in one direction. You can't go wrong. You grab the new piece. I'm waiting on the new part, and this guy goes right in. And I'm gonna put both of these by hand, and then we just lock them up. Okay, so I got both of my bolts in, and what you want to do next is you want to just tighten them don't go crazy. They're going to plastic. If you strip it, they're not gonna work out properly. Just enough so they hold. And you take your connector, and prior to doing this, make sure you check your fuse if your blower motor is not working at all, and just the speeds. This is what controls the speed, and that's it. It clicks right on and you're done. Bada bing bada boom. Put everything back together and it's all good to go.